Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. So I would request my viewers to view my Fibocan company's YouTube channel, wherein we have put educational module 16 in number, right from basics of banking up to derivatives and income tax on derivatives, which is very important for every derivatives trader. Soon we are going to release our Tamil video. Based on the success and the revenues that we get through our training programs, we will definitely go for the other languages. To start with, then it will be Hindi, then followed by other languages. So, we are wealth enablers, as you are aware. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, which is why I said about our educational programs. Training, mentoring and enabling clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions, Vetri, innovative investment strategies, SOFR, Sonifar and Bowmids. They are very powerful and efficient strategies, work on all market conditions. So, in every video we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen, which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is March 10, 2023, Friday. So, first we will see the closure of Bank Nifty and Nifty. Bank Nifty closed 4485.40, 1.87% down, while Nifty closed 17412.90, 1% down. If you recollect, yesterday itself what did we say? Nifty closure, it formed a solid red candle. Previous day, that is on Wednesday it formed a solid green candle. We said that yesterday's red candle engulfed the previous two candles, and not only that, it closed the gap it formed on 3rd March and also formed bearish bar reversal, strong bearish bar reversal. We said yesterday it is extremely negative. In fact, we had expected market to fall today. But unfortunately, people like me, we are not able to take advantage because overnight the US market banking, one of the bank is having problems. So due to which opening itself was a significant gap down. So if that happens, as a trader, you find it difficult to take positions. But nevertheless, you see the power of technical analysis. We said very clearly the kind of candle that it formed and also closed below the Bollinger middle band, came down dramatically. It was like somebody going up and you are pulling with full force and bringing that person down, right? So it's like a Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall and fell. So it's such a fall. That is what we had predicted. We had expected based on the technical setup, right? That is what precisely it had happened. So what had happened? All the banking stocks, of course, all the Nifty components opened significantly gap down, and it maintained that gap, and finally towards the closing it has formed in such a way that it has formed a abandoned baby, they call. That's a type of candle, abandoned baby, or a kind of a, you can't call a hammer, you can't call any reversal, because it's a significant gap down and it has formed. Normally, if such a candle is formed, it's one has to be very cautious. Why? Because if the overnight US market is extremely negative tonight also, if some news about the bank that is having problems or more banks are going to have a problem due to this particular bank cascading effect, if there is a systemic risk that happens, then opening itself will be a significant gap down. If that doesn't happen, we can expect a significant up move also, short covering rally also on Monday. But notwithstanding that, the overall texture is weak. The yesterday's fall has turned the market into a completely down, and in fact we were cautioning that the up move, it doesn't have enough legs, it doesn't have enough strength. We were cautioning. That came true. And Nifty today, what happened? It closed below key levels. What are the key levels? It closed below the 200-day moving average. Of course, it is just slightly above. It is slightly, the current price is slightly below the 200-day moving average. So it can go above that anytime. But if the trend is going to continue this down, and if it goes down decisively, then you can see the distance from the 200-day moving average to the price it is going will be very significant. Then people who are bullish and will have to run for cover. In fact, I am sorry to state that many of the TV channel analysts and TV anchors, I don't know what is their motto. In fact, I really don't know. Surprised. Every time they come and say this is, oh, no fall, nothing, this is a good time to buy and all this thing. I don't know. Their motto is always buy, and their motto is stock market has to go up. No. If you are a small investor, I am here to protect small investor. So if you are a small investor, please exercise caution. Please exercise caution. Please don't think of spending money to take an investment advisor, SEBI registered investment advisor. Again, I am repeat, not anybody. Okay, there are 1,000 people giving tips in the market. Don't go to them. Go only to SEBI registered investment advisor. Take a proper advice, then take positions accordingly. But coming back to that, so market is really weak. All the sectors are weak. And the global market is also significantly weak. With that backdrop, it is better to exercise caution and things will settle down. And if by the end of this month, if we are expecting Bank Nifty to close around this level, if it closes below 17,464.80 or 30 some levels, if it closes there, you can take it for granted next 1 year there won't be any appreciation in stock market. In fact, it is better you go and invest in fixed deposits, which will give you risk-free returns. Okay. Anyway, that is for people to decide. I am here to only educate people. Okay. So let's analyze the individual components. Banking, Bandhan, Federal and Kotak fell 1%. Axis, ICICI and IDFC, IndusInd and SBI fell 2%. HDFC Bank fell 3%. HDFC twins today, in fact, the structure was weak. Okay, the way it has formed, closed a candle yesterday, it was expected to fall today, but the unfortunate thing is that it opened a gap down, not allowing people who are bearish also to take position and go short aggressively, right? On the financials, LIC Housing Finance fell 1%, Bajaj Finserv, Chola, HDFC, L&T Finance, M&M Finance, Manappuram, Shriram all fell 2%. As you can see, entire 36.7% weightage, banking and financial in Nifty fell. Where Nifty will go? Definitely will go down, right? Insurance, ICICI, Pru, ICICI General 1% down, cards, SBI card fell 2%. Oil and telecom, Bharti remained flat while Reliance down 1%. So Reliance also down. On the IT, IIFL, Birlasoft, Infi, LTTS 1% down. LTIM 2% down, Emphasis Coforge 3% down, Intellect 4% down, while HCL Techem and other things remain flat. So here, one more thing, see IT stocks, okay, if you recollect, I have been telling that don't expect big fall in this month, expect big fall next month, okay, particularly Infi, HCL and other things. If Nasdaq is going to remain at these levels where it is now, by the end of this month, forget IT stocks for the next 1 or 2 months. That will be my suggestion to you guys, whoever is my viewers. Consumer goods, Asian Paints and PVR 1% down, Page 1% up. See, every analyst will come and say Asian Paints is a great buy. Yes, I also agree it's a great buy, but the time is not good. That is what I am saying, right? It's like, Sachin Tendulkar, he's a great player. Yes, fantastic player. Can he come and play now? He can't because he is old. So like that, Asian Paints, there is an entry and exit, right? Asian Paints, don't enter now. Let it, things settle down, then always you can enter. Okay. Auto, Eicher Motor TVS fell 1%, M&M 2% down. Maruti and Tata Motors 1% up. Tata Motors is good. Maruti, okay, though it went up today 1%, it is technically weak. Please avoid Maruti in the short term. On the metals, National Aluminium, MGL, Hindalco fell 1%, Vedanta fell 2%, while Jindal, JSW all remained flat, but they are also in a downtrend, which I have been telling since January onwards, if you recollect. On the health and pharma, Divis 1% down, Apollo 2% down, Lalpath and Metropolis 3% down. So, in the others category, APL Apollo, Aries 1% down, DLF, LNT 2% down, Adani Enterprise 3% down, Delta Corp 4% down, Polycab and India Mart 4% down, that also. So Polycab, I said, right, it has steam is over in Polycab. So if anybody has bought Polycab at the lower levels, they can look for booking profits, always you can re-enter. Pay income tax 15% flat, it's good. Nika, instead of sitting on notional profit, pay on actual profit. So government also will enjoy, common man will enjoy based on your income tax, and you will also, instead of being notional profit, will be an actual profit. Nikon Indigo 1% up. So with all these things, what is the option expiry we are expecting? See, at the lower level, it is very difficult to give. Though we are giving some levels, I would request look at the supports levels very keenly. But resistance, it is very easy to give. On the Bank Nifty 41,921, it is weekly middle band. So that is going to act as a tough resistance. So in this week, that is next week Thursday, it expires, right? Today is 10th, 16th Thursday option expiry. For that expiry, we are telling that this will act as a resistance. The support, very difficult to give, but 50-week moving average. So we feel that should act 38,944. That is at 38,944. For Nifty, again weekly middle band, which is at 18,010, and support Fibonacci 161.8, and probably you can take 100 points below that, 17,001.73. That is what the level we are saying. Thank you very much.